State true or false. We are in section C now, achiever, toughest one. In an equation, to maintain the balance or equality, any number added, subtracted, multiplied or divided to one side must also be added, subtracted, multiplied or divided, same sequence, to the other side. So that is true. Here 2 equals to 2. This is the equation. If I add any number plus 3 over here, same plus 3 over here, then again it is equal. Subtract minus 1, again equal. Multiplied by 5, multiplied by 5, again equal. Divided by 2, again equal. So the operation which you do on one side, you should do the same on the other side to keep the balance. Anything subtracted from one side of an equation must also be subtracted from the other side. That is also true. It is same as the earlier one. Here 5 equals to 5. 5 minus 3 equals to 5 minus 3. So same on both the sides. If one side of an equation is multiplied by a number, the other side must also be multiplied by the same number. That is also true. Extension of A only. 5 equals to 5. 5 into 3, same 5 into 3. Again 15 equal. If one side of an equation is divided by a number, the other side must be multiplied by the same number. That is false. Take the same again, false. 5 equals to 5. So 5 upon 5 divided by 5, and then multiply on the other side 5 into 5. What is 5 upon 5? 1. What is 5 into 5? 25. Are they same? No.